What a better way to welcome spring 2019 than throwing colored powder. Holi is the festival of colors. Here I come with two DIY. How to make homemade Holi powder recipe and how to make very easy Holi colored platter. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. This DIY of color powder will save lot of money, and this color powder you can decorate as a Holi platter and you can gift your friends. You just need a little bit of imagination. So, are you ready? Let's get started. But before that, my friend, if you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. So when I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. So let's get started. For the first DIY, how to make homemade Holi powder recipe. For this, there are two methods to make the Holi powder. First with food powder and the second with the liquid food color. Now let's start with our first method. Take a mixing bowl, mix cornstarch, add food powder, now add water, mix it well, like this. When done, pour this mixture in a flat container. Now repeat this method to make different color powder. Now we will try second method, that is with liquid food color. Add the liquid food color to the mixture of cornstarch by mixing water. Mix it. Now add water and mix it well. This way. Now transfer to another flat container. Repeat with the same method to make different color powder. Do let me know which method did you like in the comment box below, and friends, you can find more interesting videos on this channel and similar videos. Link is in the description below. When all done, keep this container to dry for 2-3 days. This will dry up and crack will appear. Once the powder cracks, it's ready to turn into powder. This simple recipe makes a bold color powder. It's a time for family bonding. Throw a color fight party or host a color run with the DIY color powder recipe. Now it's time to make second DIY. It's very easy Holi platter with a bit of imagination, and you can touch of style to your Holi festival. Take aluminium bowl, add powder into it. Take plastic sheet and cover it like this. Repeat with remaining colors. When done, arrange it in a plastic plate and add few chocolates. Now take transparent gift wrap and wrap it like this. To decorate, take red ribbon and make it this way and attach it. Yeah, your Holi platter is ready. Now you can give this platter to your friends and relatives. Isn't it a very easy Holi powder recipe and a beautiful way to gift Holi platter to your friends and family with your own hand? Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you make one, don't forget to share with me on any of my social media and hashtag Sangeeta's Creations. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and like and share with your family and friends. And do comment below. Happy Holi! See you soon. Till then, Namaste.